Hello, my name is Aldrich Coleman and I'm part of Challenge 2016. Today we're going to be doing number 33. So for number 33, we're giving that a balloon is 65 feet above the ground and it is rising at 1 foot per second when a bicyclist is 17 feet or is X distance away and he's traveling 17 feet per second. So let's draw this out first because it's kind of confusing. So here's the balloon, and then here's the bicycle. Okay, so, and then let's do, there we go. And this is let's call this ST, and then this is 65 feet. 65 feet, 1 foot per second, and let's call this Y. And then this is going to be 17 feet per second, and then this is going to be X. And then it's just right angle. So for this, we're actually going to have to find this, we're going to have to use a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to write that. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And for this, x squared plus y squared is equal to s squared. So now we're going to find the derivative. So derivative, or d over dt, x squared plus d over dt y squared is equal to d over dt s squared. And then derive it, so dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt is equal to 2s ds over dt. And then we're given the x, which is the distance here. I'm sorry. No, we're not given that. I'm sorry. Yeah, so right now we're going to have to plug, or it's going to be 17 times 23. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So we're given this 17 feet per second, and we were told that the bicycle has been riding for at least 3 seconds. So since it was 17 feet per second and there was 3 seconds, multiply 17 by 3 to get the distance x, which is going to come out to be 51 is equal to x. So now, I'm sorry, we plug it in. So it's 2 times 51, and then the dx over dt is the rate, so it would be 17, plus 2y, which was 65, which we were given, 65, times dy over dt, which was the rate of change, which is 1, is equal to 2, and then the s, which we were supposed to find. So the s was actually supposed to be found by using Pythagorean theorem also. So 51 squared plus 65 squared will give us the distance of s squared. So this is s squared, 65, 51. And that will actually come out to be, so we'll just do it. So it'll be 2601 plus 4225 is equal to s squared, since 51 squared is 2601 and 65 squared is 4225. And then we're going to have to add them in square root. So when we add it, it's going to, and square root both sides, it's going to be the square root of 6826 is equal to s. And then if you plug it into a calculator, you'll get 82.62 is equal to s. So now going back, we're going to plug that 82.62 into s, so 82.62. And then what we're finding is actually the derivative s dt, ds over dt. And we're just going to solve everything. So it'll be 102 times 17 plus 130 is equal to, let's go, 165 ds over dt. I'm sorry, let's move this so we know where to go. And then let's go 1864 is equal to 165.24. This is supposed to be a 0.24 here, sorry. 0.24 ds over dt. Now we divide both sides by 165.24 and we'll get 11.28 is equal to ds over dt. Thank you.